from London. Welcome to the RANsquawk market wrap for today, Tuesday the 20th of March. The US equity market is finishing in the red across the board today. However, there's particular strength seen in the tech sector. There was the earlier speculation regarding Apple, which continues to come into the headlines for the largest big cap stock there. Apple reportedly having one of their iPads tested by Consumer Reports today following these overheating rumours that have been swirling around the market, and Consumer Reports did note that the Apple iPad 3, the new iPad, did not in fact have to be recalled. So Apple shares again finishing above the $600 per share mark, but generally the US equity market is slightly softer today following the European peers ebbing lower, being led by the basic materials and industrial sectors to the downside, and that follows the reports from BHP Billiton that China may in fact have faltering iron ore demand going forward. Looking elsewhere in the fixed income space, US 10 years again seeing some selling pressure, however not as pronounced as we have seen over the last few trading sessions. There was indeed a bounce into positive territory in the early part of the session, however later again some selling being exacerbated, particularly in the 5-year sector, leading the 10s lower back below the 128 WO mark again. WTI and Brent crude futures, following the news out of China, have seen continued downside, and that also allied with reports out of Saudi Arabia that they are boosting supply in order to keep oil prices stabilised. Rumours of around 22 tankers leaving Saudi Arabia in terms of supplying customers, so we're just keeping a close eye on that situation. The geopolitical news, again, not affecting WTI and Brent crude futures. We saw some similar rhetoric out of the Iranian Supreme Leader Khamenei, but again, not moving the markets. In the forex space, the general strength coming back into equities later on in the session, however still finishing down in negative territory as noted, did help push the dollar index back off session highs, finishing around flat, and we have seen particularly weakness in the commodity-linked currencies, Aussie dollar finishing below that 105 WO mark today. But generally, again, market volumes, nothing really to write home about. In terms of risk events for tomorrow, lots of focus will be in the UK on the budget released by the Chancellor at around 12:30 London time. Otherwise, again, the market, in terms of economic data, relatively thin. We did not see any market-moving comments out of Fed's Bernanke today, and nothing really expected tomorrow either. But that's enough from me. Hope you've had a good trading day, and we'll join you bright and early tomorrow morning. Thank you.